Even as Tanzanians start to pay their last respects to their fallen leader John Pombe Magufuli, concerns continue to be raised about the manner the country is casually handling the deadly coronavirus in the East Africa's largest nation. From the onset of the virus, Tanzania took a lackluster approach to battling the virus, and as KTN's Timothy Otieno now reports, the situation was no different today during the requiem mass of the late president.
The service to honor President John Joseph Pombe Magufuli took place on Saturday at the Uhuru Stadium in Dar es Salaam, where newly sworn-in President Samia Suluhu Hassan led the nation in remembering a man who was heavily criticized for downplaying the pandemic. Residents of Dar es Salaam came out in their numbers to bid farewell to a man who had been at the helm of the country since 2015. All over the streets where the cortege passed, masks were a rare commodity. Many of them did not see it fit to wear the protective gear. The case was the same inside Uhuru Stadium, where the requiem mass was held in honor of the departed leader. Only church leaders who were conducting the mass were seen wearing masks. Similarly, the issue of social distancing was not observed both inside and outside the stadium.
Msitishwe sana na ugonjwa wa corona. Sisi tuchape kazi, Mungu wetu yupo, ataendelea kutuokoa.
From the onset of the global health crisis, Magufuli remained adamant that prayer superseded science when it came to battling COVID-19.
Tuendelee ndugu zangu wa Tanzania kusimama na Mungu. Tulishinda mwaka jana, inawezekana hili ni jaribu lingine.
Mara ya kwanza tuliambiwa kwamba ugonjwa ni hatari sana, kwa hiyo tuvae barakoa. Watanzania wakati wa amri wakawa wanavaa barakoa. Sasa baadaye tena ikaja kwamba hakuna haja ya kuogopa ugonjwa huu. Kwa hiyo mvue barakoa, muingie tu kazini.
Na mnukuu marehemu Dr. Pombe John Magufuli alishawahi kutuambia siku moja kwamba Mtanzania atakayejisikia kuvaa barakoa avae barakoa. Kama hujajisikia kuvaa barakoa usivae barakoa, sio lazima.
Mimi sivai barakoa kwa sababu nikivaa barakoa naona pumzi zinabana.
It's a narrative that has stuck with the country to date. During the recent swearing-in ceremony of Samia Suluhu on Friday, World Health Organization prevention protocols on social distancing and wearing of face masks was virtually non-existent. Magufuli's administration had heavily downplayed the seriousness of the pandemic, refusing to lock down the country and insisting that schools and public places remain open for business when nearly the entire world was shutting down last year because of the virus. Rumors have been rife since the beginning of the month that Magufuli's health status had been aggravated by the fact that he contracted COVID-19. Tanzania's government has vehemently denied these claims, even though opposition leader Tundu Lissu insists that it's a state cover-up.
Magufuli died of corona.
During the requiem mass of the late John Pombe Magufuli, only a few members of the public could be spotted wearing face masks. Even as the first female president in Tanzania's history takes over the leadership of the country, one of the main solutions Suluhu's administration will be seeking to solve is whether or not there will be a difference in the approach on how the coronavirus pandemic is handled in Tanzania. Timothy Otieno, KTN News.
And as you ponder that peculiar approach